Hey everyone, my name is Ashley. I was recently approached by Viking Bags about checking out some bags for the 2024 Nightster. So these are what they sent me. A 10-liter Outlaw Quick Mount Saddlebag. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's a quick mount. As you can see in my video, there are 2 bolts that go into the side of your fender. They're already there, so you just take out the ones that we have and you put those in there. They're super simple and easy. The bag then slips onto the mount and locks in place. From there, you have a lock on the inside of the bags to make them anti-theft, so nobody can just come up and snatch your bags. They also lock on the top, which makes it super convenient to not have to carry a bag with you everywhere you go. These are my first bags on a bike, and I guess I'm super excited about them, I guess you could say. They come with 4 keys, so you always have it extra. They are aluminum and leather made, super soft, sleek, modern, the perfect size for this bike if you ask me. While I was out riding, I couldn't even tell that they were on the bike, which I thought would be an issue because I thought they would not help me in the wind, but I didn't even know that they were back there. They're very durable. They all come with a 1-year warranty. Yeah, they're actually really, really great bags. I like them very much.